Okay, guys. So Mr. Surik is going to make a table, dining table. So this is a do-it-yourself. Okay. So what he's using right now is to the square type ruler. So marking it straight. There you go. Okay. Make sure it's marked correctly and straight. So the good thing here, you can do it by yourself. So you have this stable table. There are two separate tables here, and then you have a circular saw.
Most
Okay.
importantly, this one.
Yeah, that one. The ear map to
PPE.
PPE.
Right?
Yeah,
What's
and
PPE?
then yeah, the protective equipment, personal protective equipment, and then here you go. That's your safety glass. You have to wear that. And then of course you have your gloves, safety gloves, and the earplug. Look at that. So that is a very important thing to use.
And then,
So you can pretty much do it by yourself actually. So you have to insert the wireless, the charger, okay, and then of course if you can
wireless
see,
battery.
yeah, wireless battery, and then you can see this one. This is to vacuum all the dust. That's a good thing right now. That's a technology, okay. So it's about to start it right now.
So how do we start the vacuum?
Okay, so of course turn it on.
How? I cannot reach it. So we have this thing. Look.
Okay, look at that. Oh,
Wireless.
it's wireless. So when you start the saw, automatically it suck the dust. Isn't that cool? Wow.
There we go.
So I'm spotting the line and then start it. Look at that. So here that vacuum. It's automatic and it's clean. Look at that. It sucks the dust. I like it. Let's see how fast it is. Boom! Voila! In just less than 1 minute, you cut it. Imagine
Oh, here's
if you use manually, it's
Yeah.
gonna take a lot of time. That's the table.
cuts like a butter.
Yeah, exactly. I like that. Cuts like a butter. It's easy, right? So there you
Some
go.
residue.
Yeah, there you go. So you can make that vacuum. Nice. It's easy, right? And it's clean. See? You got to clean it immediately. And then, close the vacuum by the way. You have to stand. So, okay. That's the vacuum at the bottom, huh? I like it. Okay. Cool.
That's it.
That's it. Done.
How you cut table using the circular saw.
Sure. Yeah. What
There you
else?
go. We're done.
Done. Fantastic. Thanks,
Stay
Mr.
tuned for
Surik.
the part 2.
Yes. All right.